Abraham was convinced that God was able to do what he promised. His picture of God, the place he gave God in his life, was God cannot lie. That's why when the king of Sodom came and Abraham brought back all the spoils and all the city and the people, and he said to Abraham, take what you need. You can take all the stuff, give me the people. Abraham said, no, I don't want anything from you. I lifted my hand before God and said, nobody will say that they have made Abraham rich except God Almighty. He gave God that place in his life. Okay. God, you are my source. You alone. I take you by your word. I believe in you. I trust in you. Okay. So his faith in God made room for God. So God could bless him. So God could manifest his promises to him.